Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Courtney and I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark. If you're not new, thanks for coming back. It means a lot to me. If you haven't subscribed and maybe you've watched one or more of my videos, please do. It really helps me out, lets me know that you guys are enjoying the content and want to see more. Also hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and other videos that I create. So I think I'm almost done with ThredUp rescue boxes, but one of the boxes that I've really debated on getting, and I think a lot of people enjoy it, is a shoe box. And I have watched some of these videos, and I just don't really like the cleaning of shoes all that much. I do know they sell well at times, and there have been some good finds that people have gotten in these boxes. However, I have personally had some good luck with handbags. Handbags are just less gross to me, I guess. And the shoe boxes, I mean, it's like all the boxes, right? I mean, there's a percentage that will probably be damaged or unsellable for any number of reasons. And so the shoes I've just been putting off. But I did order a 7 pair of shoe box and it cost $43.99. That was the box and the shipping included, or all total. And so if you haven't watched any of my videos before, I do open these off camera so that I can make sure I understand exactly what I got and what I'm planning on doing with them. So again, I see a lot of these videos and it's fun to see the element of surprise, but for me, I would really like to know from a reseller perspective, are these valuable and are they going to have a good return? Now, none of these are sold, so these are projected estimates on what I might get for them, but that's how I choose to do my videos. If you like the mystery element, unboxing element, you might not want to watch my videos because I think I'm going to stick to this pattern. It's helpful for me and I hope it's helpful for some of you guys. So in total, I was supposed to get 7 pairs of shoes for the $43.99, and yeah, we'll just jump right in. So this pair of shoes is a pair of New Balance. I did order this in a size 9 with the off chance that maybe there was a no brand or, you know, kind of something that didn't have a high resale value. I'm an 8.5 to 9 depending on the pair. And so I figured if they're gonna let me choose the size, I may as well choose mine. And then if something can't be resold, I could always keep it for myself if it's cute. So these are adorable. They are the 574 style, which is a brand that people search for, or a style that people search for. So it's this cute red color. It's got these little mint green laces. It has basic wear, but definitely nothing major. I think that's the element that I've seen on a lot of shoe videos. A lot of them have just been grungy, and so that's what I was kind of expecting. But these are not new, but definitely in good condition and a sought after style. So some of these have sold for anywhere from $30 to $40. I'm going to go ahead and my expected sale price of these is going to be $35. So I was really actually pleased with those. This is another pair. I think there's a lot on the market, but this is one of the more classic styles. So this is the Sperry topsider, kind of the boat style shoes. So the reason I'm actually kind of happy with this one is they do make a lot of different styles, colors and that kind of stuff. And although these are not in perfect condition, there's definitely some kind of yellowing, but they are in good condition. And this kind of the navy and cream style, navy on the top part right here, these are actually a little bit better than some of the other color schemes. So some of the comps on these are about 20 to 25. So I'm actually kind of expecting that for a sale price. So that was another decent pair. Sorry, reaching. So these were a cute pair, but I don't think it's really a big name brand. So if you can see, they're kind of little ankle booties with the cutout on the side, very trendy. It's kind of an olive green color, kind of grayish olive green color. And this is by a brand, Mata. And I don't think these have been worn at all. You can see the stickers. I don't see, I mean, maybe worn in a store or something, but definitely not outside. So they're in good condition. I looked and I can't find anything that says that these are leather, so I'm not sure if they are. But there were a couple faint scuff marks. So I did disclose that in the listing. But other than that, they're cute. They're in great condition, and some of these have sold. So it's this Mata brand. Some of the comps are around 25, so I'm expecting about 20 for that pair. And then these are, I do like flats. I think flats are just comfortable, you know, easy to wear. So a lot of people, I think, like them. These are kind of just a light tan, has some cute little ruffle detail. This is by the brand Fergalicious. I think that's how you say it. Fergie's brand. Yeah, by Fergie. So these are in good condition. They do have a little bit of a mark on the inside. And if they've been worn, I don't think they've been worn outside or very seldom. But the only damage that I saw on this was on this one corner. There's kind of like a stain, and I don't think that's going to be able to come out. But so I don't know if they were just in a closet or maybe someone purchased them and that's damage from the store. But anyways, they were cute. I'm not expecting much. So these, the comps are around 15. I'm expecting to maybe get about 15 for those. This is a fun pair. And I was just surprised at the condition of all of these. Again, I've seen a lot of these videos, and some people just get some beat up shoes, not all. And I mean, here's another pair of, like, they've never been worn outside. So these little fuzzy balls, fuzzy pom-poms, fuzzy something. I know that there's kind of a high-end designer that has, and I can't remember who it is, but this kind of fun sneaker style. I'm not sure who it is, but this is not that designer. This is Penny Loves Kenny. And they do have some faint marks on the white part. I'm just going to go ahead and list as is, not worry about cleaning them up, because you can tell just from the bottom that they haven't been worn outside. So again, maybe just some light wear from inside of a store. But they are super cute, and I think people would like this style. So a couple of these have sold. Comps are around 25, so I'm expecting hopefully about 25. This is the only pair that I'm probably not going to resell, and I might keep myself. I'm a boot person in the winter and a flip-flop person in the summer. I am true Californian, would wear flip-flops year-round if I could. But these are some little sandals, again, with the condition. If they've been worn, I mean, just great condition. Cute style. I don't have any sandals like this, but this is a brand, Maurices, and the comps aren't great on the sandals, so I don't think it's going to be something that I list to sell, but I might keep them for myself, and maybe if I'm actually putting a little effort into my summer footwear, I might try, you know, with a cute dress or something. Those might be cute. And then the second to last pair, I'm not sure what to do with these. I think I'll list them. I'm not sure. I know that I owned a pair of Steve Madden, kind of mule style, kind of the black, kind of had platform. Everyone, I'm 36, so if you're around my age, you probably know what I'm talking about. They were very popular. But these are a pair of Steve Madden, again with the condition. I don't think they've been worn outside. They're a cute little flat mule style sandal. Actually, this is a leather upper. Actually, this brand surprised me that it does pretty well with this style or similar. But, and because they haven't been worn, they're in good condition. They are, because they were kind of sent. You can see that. So I'm going to have to like try and form it. There is just a little bit of wear right here. I'm not sure if it's going to pick up. I'm not sure if that's just how it was folded, maybe in someone's closet. I'm going to list them. But I do need to kind of form them out a little bit better before taking photos. So this is the only pair I haven't actually taken photos of. But, you know, comps are around 20 for this style. I don't think it's super desirable in the line of Steve Madden, but we'll give it a shot. If I can get about 15, I'd be happy. And then this is the last pair. And these are high platform heel shoes. This is by Camuto. And I do like the neutral element of the design. They do have, this is probably the only one that has kind of some wear. And there's kind of a fake wood. It's almost like a linoleum, but they're kind of peeling back right there. So, you know, it's a good size. They're cute style. I'm going to maybe list them, but, you know, this brand is kind of hit or miss on the comps. So you know, if I could get, if I could get $15 for these, that would be great. And I will obviously disclose any damage. So in total, you know, I think it was actually a decent box. I'm happy that I did it because, you know, the shoe boxes have not been that impressive to me. And I wasn't really looking for work of cleaning up a whole bunch of shoes. So I was pretty happy with the fact that the majority of these came with very little wear and some cute styles that I think we'll be able to sell. So I have listed these. I might do another ThredUp box or two, but my goal is once I get to 10 total different ThredUp rescue boxes, I'll do kind of an overall analysis video because there have been a couple terrible boxes, and then the majority of them I should definitely be able to make my money back and some profit. And so just kind of break down, also maybe disclose what sold and how much money I have made back and that type of thing. So someone on Instagram did ask if I was going to be able to do that. And I think when I get to about 10 boxes, it'll be good to kind of compare and say what I would recommend and what I wouldn't. You know, surprisingly, this is one of the better boxes. I'm expecting to get a decent return on the amount that I spent. And yeah, so if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. I do a lot of hauls and boxes like this and reseller content. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.